Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here we have beef. I got this beef yesterday, and I got this beef for 1,583 yen. So when you are going to buy something, you don't look at this bold written amount. You look at the overall cost when they add plus and minus their tax, everything. That is the amount you are actually paying, for whatever thing you are buying. Okay, guys. So here we have beef, and here we have fish. You can see the tail of the fish. So I will be making a pot of stew. Not a big pot of stew, just moderate pot of stew with just very few tin tomato, tin. So guys, usually the way I make my stew, I like to fry the meat or the fish, whatever thing I'm using. But today, guys, I'm not in the mood to fry anything. Like, after a hard day at work, I just want to make this stew as quick as possible and then relax, okay? So I'm not frying anything today, but I believe the stew is going to taste nice. Okay guys, so here we have the beef. This beef, I mean, for this amount, it actually looks so small. Sometimes you get, much more bigger beef for that amount or slightly higher than that amount. But other times too, you just get it however it comes. Anyway, guys, let's just make our pot of stew. So when you are cutting, please be careful. Pam, padam. So guys, this is it for the beef, okay? No frying, just cook the beef, and if possible cook it with the fish at the same time. I'm not wasting any time in this stew at all, like at all. Some days are just like this. Ta-da! Okay guys, so I'll be washing the beef and as well as the fish. So guys, here we have the beef, well washed, and of course the fish, well washed. Now it is time to cook. So because the beef takes longer time to cook, compared to the fish. I'm going to start with this one, cooking this one. When this one is almost done, then I will introduce the fish into the pot. Okay, guys. Guys, I'm using this pot, this big pot, because when you are boiling this meat, somehow, you know, the foam, the water just starts to overpour. So whenever I'm cooking, I like to use much bigger pots so it will have enough room to cook properly well. I'm going to be adding onions and of course ginger. Here I'll be adding turmeric powder, pepper, salt, and of course seasoning cube. Now for this seasoning cube, sometimes it's a little bit hard to break. See, sometimes it's so hard, so I'll just throw almost everything like that. It will dissolve itself. Ta-da. So you guys can see I've not added water, but water have started coming out. But to be on a safer side, add water. You see? So not all meats have water, you know. Sometimes you might just assume water will come out from the meat. Of course, water will come out from the meat, but you can still add little water to support. Okay guys, so at this point in time, I will just cover the pot and allow it to cook. So guys, we have been cooking the meat for quite some time. Now I'll be adding the fish. Let's add more water so the fish can also cook well. And cover to cook. So guys, at this point in time, ta-da! Okay, so our fish, our meat is as good as cooked. So this is how I'll be using it to make the pot of stew. Thank you guys for watching. So in the next video, we are going to be making the stew. See you all in the comment section, as well as see you all in the next video. Bye guys. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.